Hello, my name is Dewey and I went to the College of West Anglia, Wisbech. I studied level 1, 2 and 3 of motor vehicle. Before I went to college, I was quite nervous but very excited. I knew I wanted to do mechanics as a career, so I was very keen to start learning. Throughout the year came challenges and obstacles I had to overcome, but with your classmates' help and some tutor advice, you can overcome them. Just don't doubt yourself, just stay calm and you will do it. Then level 2, same kettle of fish. Just keep knuckled down, stay focused, respect the tutors, they'll respect you back, they'll treat you like an adult, like you're actually in a workplace, which helped me through work experience, because you learnt how other people in the workplace would talk to you and communicate with you. If you act like a child, they will treat you like a child. Through work experience, I went to JS Homes for 3 years, and with the help of the college teaching me about everything, I could learn more through college and through the work experience. My 3 years at college, I experienced many challenges that I faced and overcame through the exams, through the theory, and the tutors helped me every step of the way. So did fellow students. And without their support, I wouldn't have been able to pass my course. They taught me not to doubt myself, always trust your instincts, and always enjoy what you do. The college will help you through all your challenges you'd need to overcome, helping you find a work placement when you need to go on work experience, helping you through coursework. They will try and make it so you understand it better for yourself. They will put it in different words than they have told another student, so you can understand. And they will help you every step of the way, because they want to see you succeed and accomplish your dreams of becoming a mechanic. Thank you for listening. I hope this video helps you to understand and how the college works. Thank you. Goodbye.